Okay, guys, what's up? It's Ray VR back with another video, and we're gonna be playing some more Monkey on the Shelf with some of my friends. Why do I have that on? Okay. All right, wait. Who wants to be it? All right, you can be it since you're already it. I guess.
Get onto the shelf.
I'm going.
And don't think you get the friend discount.
Okay.
Zero. I want to delete this whole thing.
That okay.
Alright. By the way, that one is fine. And by the way, I mute this one too. Oh my bad.
Bro, I hate City because it just like makes me slower for some reason. I don't know why.
Same.
Okay.
I said I deleted that, but it's fine.
Bro, you didn't.
Oh wait. Wait, you deleted what?
Oh no, that part is fine. Those two are fine.
I thought you said you deleted that.
I said the whole thing. But you know it's fine. Just go. Just go.
My bad.
It's fine. You're not out. You just go.
Oh my god.
By the way, you're supposed to make it.
Yo, guys, there's an
Ready for the
announcement.
big event. Now, seriously outdid himself this year. Hey, Beans, get down here. I got something I know you've been wanting.
What's up, boss?
Hey, now, Beans, I know you wanted that lemming plush, and you've been working really, really hard, and you've been very patient, so... who keeps calling me? Huh?
Hey, you know, I gotta go to...
Insufficient funds? But I didn't spend it. That... Beans, what's that behind your back?
Nothing.
Beans! Wait, how did you get the gold lemming plush? Beans! Alright, so Frank is gonna be giving away Beans plushes and his gold lemming plush to some of you lucky monkeys
How do you
at
get
the live event tomorrow. Now,
No,
all you gotta do is take a photo or video during the event,
Beans,
post it
there's
on
so
the
much
social
money on
media
Oh!
of your choice. And
That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing.
Let's go.
and just make sure you follow us so we can send
That's
you
what
the
I'm
message
doing right
when
now.
You win, and that's it. We'll pick our winners. You
Okay.
get the plushes, and
Okay, pick
Beans
another
is
thing.
in big
Pick another thing.
Beans.
Uh,
Let's go.
now,
Oh yeah.
I want to delete.
No.
What thing?
Hey, bro. Hey,
I'm just seeing what you're deleting.
I want to delete this,
This? Okay.
All right.
the whole thing.
Alright.
Oh, did I say delete? Oh, never mind.
I'm just gonna.
You're supposed to. No, you already won. You're supposed to go where the trophy is.
Oh.
Hey, wait, I didn't see that.
I thought we were supposed to go to the mirror.
No, yeah. I guess it's changed. It was like that, but I guess.
Okay, I'm gonna try to make it.
Go start.
No!
Oh, wait, I forgot.
I touched.
Oh,
But I don't know
wait, no,
why.
he's
But look,
supposed to
when
be-
I'm in city, it
he's
doesn't
it,
like
he's it.
let me jump far. I don't know why. Look,
all right.
well, that time it did,
Alright.
but like,
So it's a new round.
Yep.
for If anybody's it, so I know everybody's gonna fail in this. I'm gonna delete this.
okay.
Wait, all of these?
No, just that.
Oh,
I
okay.
know you're gonna fail.
So we can't go on hats.
No, we can't go on the sign
Well,
and hat.
Oh, we can't go on signs.
Yeah. And
Any
hat.
sign?
Any sign.
Oh my god, bro.
All right. All right. Yeah. All right. Good.
wait, I need to
Nothing
make it
ever
over
happened.
there.
Okay.
Nothing ever happened here. Nothing ever happened here. Nothing ever happened here.
Reset.
Bro just said, you know what? He got to win. I got that.
I lost.
I know I lost, but I
Here,
lost
okay.
before.
Bro, I cannot jump.
Cheetah,
Okay,
jump.
I wanna. Alright, now
Does
I'm
it
gonna
count?
delete this wall. Only this wall.
Okay.
Alright, bet. No. Forget those things are slippery. Automated thing.
Did y'all do it?
I'm still going.
I did it.
Did it.
Okay.
Oh, the lemming flash. Beautiful.
Wait, what? Let me check the. Is that a flute?
Hey, I'm gonna go check the time real fast. Okay, 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Hey, after this, I'm gonna end the video and I'm gonna start another one. Here, wait. How long? I've been recording for 6. Okay. Shelf. Y'all have to be at the shelf in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Come on.
1. Okay. Now I'm gonna remove this, like this whole thing, like right here. Oh, well, yeah, that does.
Get to
Okay. So he made it.
that. Bam, that.
We can do. I'm watching you.
There we go.
Wait. You can't go up there. Wait. Can he
My
go?
lag is
You
killing me.
touched. You touched.
No, my lag is my lag. You gotta give me that.
Mhm.
My lag!
Mhm. But you weren't supposed to go up here though.
Hello, my lag?
You weren't
Hello?
supposed to go up here.
Trust, my lag.
But you weren't supposed to go up here.
Trust.
You weren't supposed to go up here.
Oh my god, bro, you gotta
Also,
trust
yeah.
me.
You weren't supposed to go.
Look. I heard Jen from there to there. And then from there to here.
Yes,
And then to
but
and then you grab onto here. Grab.
yes, but you're not supposed to go
grab,
up here, right?
grab. I mean, you're allowed to go anywhere.
Mm. Okay.
And then I
Well,
could've went from
I guess
there.
y'all both made it. Yeah, sure, y'all both made it. Okay.
And then I could have went from to there, and then from there.
Okay. Everybody get back to the shelf.
Let me tag you
Dun,
back.
dun, dun, dun. Yeah. None of the. Alright, go back. I'm running.
Okay, now I'm gonna be in the second floor.
Running.
That's it. No second floor. Go.
God.
Hey, did you touch the floor? Bro, that's deleted.
Yeah.
What's deleted?
That.
This.
No, that's not deleted.
Yes, it
It
is.
is.
This whole thing.
Oh shucks. You sound like.
Nah, bro, he saw something.
How solid, bro.
Nah, bro, I'm snitching.
Okay. Purple wins.
Yeah. Check the time.
Alright, this is where I'm gonna end the video right here. But I'm gonna be making another video in the live event. See ya.
7 minutes, guys.